Good morning, folks. Springtime, basically summer almost. Still kind of like late spring. Water's still kind of cool when you walk in a little bit, but we're gonna see if we can try to get after it today. As you can see, it's super freaking windy today. Super windy. We're gonna see if we can try to get on some fish today though. See if we try to get on some reds, maybe a trout or two. Y'all stay tuned, let's get it. Not sure if you can see, but there's tons of pelicans working way down there. They're sitting on the flat that I want to go to. So we're just gonna kind of creep up on it. Got a lot of wind today, so you can definitely throw your bait pretty far. I'm gonna do what's called reach out and touch. Reach out and touch them. Don't get all the way up on them. Let's see if we can get big, y'all. Y'all stay tuned. There he is. Windy conditions. You can still catch fish on top water. It's blowing today. It's blowing about 15, 20 today. It's blowing. I don't think we got a giant, but we have a fish. And I forgot my net. All right. Have a nice little trout here on the one knocker spook. I don't know how good he's got it. No, he's barely got it. I had a feeling there would be some fish here. I could catch them on top water, just didn't know what kind or how they really wanted it. Splash, splash. Top water. It's too windy. They don't. That's one thing I love about throwing this sucker is that when it's windy, you will get them to absolutely crush it. He crushed it too. The light was just kind of slow. I put something else on. I think I got a red here. This is a trout, it's a good one. I'm pretty sure it's a redfish. I got a nice red here, I believe. It's a good trout. It's fighting like a red though. I think it's a redfish. That's a trout. Good trout, good trout. That's what I said I wanted, a nice good one. windy top water conditions. Got a nice speckled trout here. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's a nice trout. On that top water today. Got a nice trout. Throwing my favorite, that redhead. Y'all hear the wind, y'all hear it, right? It's blowing. People always say it's too windy to throw top water. It's absolutely nonsense. Complete nonsense. All my buddies be like, don't throw top water, it's too windy. What are you doing? Well, that's why, folks. Catch you some. Got a fish. Maybe I knocked the firecracker out of it. Decided to go ahead and throw some soft plastics out. Right now I'm throwing a bait that I designed. Me and my buddy designed. It's a jerk bait. And we got a trout here. Got a nice trout. Or maybe a red on this flat here. Nice trout. Oh my goodness, man. We caught some nice trout today. Got a nice little trout on this flat. On this soft plastic jerk bait that me and my buddy designed. This is like it's a dirty watermelon with copper and purple flake on it. All you gotta do is work it on a 1/8 ounce jig head and just hop it. And this is the first fish I've actually caught on it. Been wanting some decent conditions to throw it, and we finally got one. It's a nice one too. I'm talking about he knocked the crap out of it too. Definitely what you like to see on something that you made, right? Got that bait in there. Knocked the crap out of it. That's a nice trout on a bait that I designed. Oh, and I lost them. God dog it. That's why you need a net, don't you? All right. Well, I had 3 fish. Now I still only got 2. That's how it goes sometimes. See if we can get another one. Hooked up, baby. Hooked up, baby. It's kind of hard to find them a little bit, and one kind of just laid on it. I didn't get the best hook set, so I'm hoping I can get them in. Got a nice trout here. Don't do it. He's heavy. Trying to be nice and easy with him, but still keeping that hook. We're still keeping that pressure on him. Gotta be careful, especially since I don't have a net. I don't want to lose another one. He's got on the side. Not how I want it. It's a good trout. Throwing the old faithful mirror lure, Little John. He just kind of laid him. He didn't really hit it. It just, felt a tiny bit of pressure, the tiniest bit of pressure. And I got a nice trout. Make sure he don't get off this time. Nice speckled trout. He actually hooked pretty good. That's how it's been, man. Every now and then you just catch a nice trout. Got a whole lot of bites today. Only had 4 bites and 3 fish. Well, I really had 4 fish. 1 came off, but you know how that goes. Let's catch another. Got him. I don't know what he is. It might be another nice trout. Some good pump shakes. Good head shakes on this sucker. Come on, baby. It's gonna be real nice and easy, like. He hit it real good. It's a little small red. I don't know what it is. Trout, drizzle. Ah, that's how they've been biting today, man. I was real easy with him too. He just, I don't know. Oh well. That cast, I guess I threw right on top of a fish. I don't know what he is. Trout. It's a good trout too. Sometimes you just get lucky, man. I made a real bad cast. He ate it too. Oh my gosh, he ate that sucker too. Come on, baby, stay on, stay on, stay on, stay on. Somebody try to get off today. I didn't get the best hook set on him. I just looked up and I was hooked up. This hook's so bad. Come on, baby. Don't do that, don't do that, don't do that, don't do that. Ah, don't do that. I got him. There we go, baby. Trout. Nice trout. Nice trout. That's 4 trout here. Got a trout. Ate it good this time. Got cut cutting up. Cutting up on T.will-fish. And that's our limit, folks. That's our limit. Ooh, he want to get out of my hand so bad. Folks, and that is a start over. Folks, that is a Texas speckled trout limit right there. Nice. Trying to figure out how to throw this double D lure, and I think I finally got the retrieve I wanted. Hopefully it's not a gaff top. Oh boy. Oh, good trout, really good trout. Look how he's got that double D, baby. Ooh, baby. Look how he's got it. Look how he's got it, baby. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Oh yeah. Look how I got that double D in the mouth. O'clock. Done with that old limit. Well, folks, we came out here and caught a couple fish. Did it on one battery. Now we're about to go home. Y'all, that was a good day. It was a little challenging today. Caught a couple on top water, a couple on plastics. Missed quite a few as well. So not a bad day, but we came out here and we did what we had to do. So y'all stay tuned. We'll get some more videos for y'all soon. Try to drop more consistently. I love y'all, baby. Y'all have a good one.